Be ready. Start. The present petition has been filed by the petitioner challenging the order dated 27/10/2016 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Chandigarh, whereby the original application filed by the petitioner was dismissed and his prayer for reconsideration of his suitability for the select list for promotion to the post of IAS was rejected. Stated briefly, the facts of this case are that the petitioner had filed the original application OA before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Chandigarh, claiming that he had joined the state civil service in the year 1994. The Government of India, the cadre controlling authority of the IAS cadre under the Indian Administrative Service Appointment by Promotion Regulations 1955, had determined 7 vacancies of IAS for Haryana cadre for the year 2011 for filling up by way of promotion from the state civil service. As per the regulations, the select list for promotion to IAS is required to be prepared annually. However, no select list was prepared for the year 2011 until the year 2015. In the meantime, the petitioner had retired from the state civil service on 30 June 2015. Ultimately, the process for filling up the promotion quota vacancies in IAS cadre for the year 2011 for the state of Haryana was initiated, and as per the regulations, candidates 3 times of the vacancy to be filled up were shortlisted for consideration for promotion. The name of the petitioner was at serial number 10 in the candidates shortlisted for consideration as per their seniority. The meeting of the selection committee was held on 29/10/2015. The selection committee did consider the case of the petitioner. However, the name of the petitioner was not recommended to be included in the select list. It was further claim of the petitioner that since the date of joining the state civil service in the years 1994, all his annual confidential reports ACRs are of the grade of outstanding. The selection committee has wrongly downgraded the assessment and categorization of the petitioner from outstanding to very good. As per the petitioner, this downgrading was arbitrary, and this was resorted to only to ensure that the other candidates who were less meritorious than the petitioner as per their ACRs stroke service record get selected. Still further grievance of the petitioner was that one of the candidates included in the zone of consideration had already expired before the meeting of the selection committee. Therefore, his name could not have been included in the list of candidates to be considered. Against the inclusion of the name of such expired person in the zone of consideration the petitioner had made representation. Thank you.